Experiencing issues with your Verizon 5G? Don't worry, you're not alone. While Verizon's 5G network is generally reliable, intermittent outages can occur. These can stem from various factors like network congestion, equipment malfunctions, software glitches, or even cyber threats such as DDoS attacks. The good news is many issues can be resolved with quick, user-side fixes. This video will guide you through the most common solutions. Verizon uses two primary types of 5G technology. Sub-6 GHz provides nationwide coverage with speeds up to 1 to 2 Gbps, while ME-Wave, also known as ultra-wideband, offers ultra-fast speeds up to 10 Gbps, but has a shorter range. Outages can occur due to signal interference from buildings or weather, device compatibility issues with older phones, or software bugs in the network. Understanding these fundamentals helps in effective troubleshooting. Knowing whether your device is connected to sub-6 GHz or mmWave can help diagnose problems, as mmWave is more susceptible to interference. A simple yet effective solution is to toggle airplane mode on and off. This resets your device's connection to the cellular network, often resolving temporary connectivity problems. To do this, swipe down from the top of your screen on Android or up from the bottom on iOS to access the control center. Tap the airplane icon to enable airplane mode, wait about 10 seconds, and then tap it again to disable it. Check if your 5G connection is restored. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues with the 5G network. Ensure your device's operating system and Verizon apps are up to date. Go to your device's settings, find the Software Update section, and check for any available updates. Install any pending updates and restart your device. Also check the Google Play Store or Apple App Store for updates to the My Verizon app. Quick fix number 4. Switch between 5G and LTE. Sometimes, forcing your device to connect to the 4G LTE network can provide a more stable connection, especially if 5G is experiencing local issues like signal interference or network congestion. In your device's settings, look for the mobile network or cellular options. Find the preferred network type setting and switch it from 5G LTE to LTE only. LTE typically offers reliable speeds up to 100 Mbps, while 5G can be faster but less consistent in some areas. If this resolves the issue, the problem might be specific to the 5G network in your area. You can switch back to 5G later to see if the problem has been resolved. Corrupted cache data in the Verizon app can sometimes cause connectivity issues. Clear the cache and data for the My Verizon app. Go to your device's settings, find Apps or Application Manager, locate the My Verizon app, and tap Storage. Then, tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. You may need to sign back into the app after clearing data. If none of these quick fixes work, there might be a larger network issue in your area. Check Verizon's website or app for outage reports. You can also contact Verizon support directly for assistance. They can diagnose your specific problem and provide further troubleshooting steps or inform you about ongoing outages in your area. Remember to have your account information ready when you contact support. By following these steps, you can resolve most Verizon 5G issues efficiently.